how to get custom crosshair in Marvel Rivals. So for me, these are the best settings. So you just simply need to click on the settings at the top right and then go to settings. Once you're there, just go to keyboard here at the top, then scroll down till you see the HUD option right here. So once you're here at the HUD option, you simply need to select the reticle type and set it to crosshairs. After that, click on the plus button here at the advanced section. Now once we are here, make sure that reticle animation is turned off. And for the width, you could set it to between 12 to 15. So I currently use 12. For the details, it's up to you, but I set it as default. Now for the reticle opacity, click on the plus button. And for the dot opacity, change this to 0. Now that's good. Now we go down right here till you see the center gap. Now click on the plus button right there, just below the center gap. And make it smaller right here. So just like that. Now once that's done, we're going to go to the crosshair length. I'm just going to reduce it a little so we could range it from 15 to 20. So I use 20 right there. Now once that's done, you're good to go. So this is what it looks like in game. So for me, it looks way better. So just like that. And that's basically it.